Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. iOS 18 developer beta 8 is out finally after a week or so, and the update size is about 337.2 MBs on my iPhone 14, and it is finally out. Many people are waiting for this update, and finally it is out. Hopefully, it is going to be the last update before the RC version. Definitely I'm going to talk about that also in this video, but finally it is out. And if you're using iOS 18 developer beta 7, you can install this update. What you need to do is simply go to settings, go to journal, go to software update, and over here you will see the latest update of the iOS 18 developer beta 8. And if I choose the public beta version over here and go back, for now the public beta update is not out while I'm shooting this video, but hopefully this will be also out in a couple of more minutes, maybe under 30 minutes or something. It is hopefully also going to release soon, but this update is out. And I haven't installed this update yet, but right after this video I'm going to install this update. But before installing this update, I want to talk about that this update is out and you can install it. Also, as we know, it is a small update according to its size, which means the focus of Apple is definitely going to be on the stability and the battery improvements, because pretty much every feature that Apple was supposed to launch with the 18.0 are pretty much out with these all betas, and now Apple is trying to focus on the stability and the performance. And if I go and talk about the Geekbench score of previous versions, so you're gonna have the idea how the stability and battery life is improving. If you see over here, 2259 on a single core while 5425 on a multi-core. This was the score of iOS 18 developer beta 1. Over here, if I go to almost top, there is 2316 and 5626 on a multi-core. This is the score of iOS 18 developer beta 7. Now there is a pretty much huge difference between these scores, and I know these scores are not something deadline about the performance, but they definitely give the idea. Now, since these scores are different from each other, and the beta 7 score is much better than the beta 1 score, which means that with every other beta is coming out, Apple is trying to improve the performance. They are trying to bring the stability, and they are also trying to improve the battery life. And this is what I'm also expecting from the iOS 18 developer beta 8. I'm definitely going to install this update. I'm pretty much very excited for this update, as you know it is already on installation. Agree over here, and yeah, boom, it is installing. If I go to the feedback application to see if there are any sort of release notes, I need to log in over here. I don't know why I every time I have to put this. Let me just put my password over here so I can log in into my Apple account. Also, you guys let me know that what iOS version you are using on your device, and are you excited about the public release of the iOS 18 going to the all. For now there are no release notes for the iOS 18 developer beta 8, although there are regarding the iOS 18 developer beta 7 because it was released last week. There are some fixes over here, some resolved issues, as you can see. Also, there were rumors that when the last iOS 18 developer beta 7 came out, it was rumored that that is going to be the last update before the public release. But I said in that video that I do believe that there is going to be another iOS 8 developer beta 8, because Apple always come with the 8 version of developer beta, and yet it is out here. It is already on installing process. It is going to take a couple of seconds, so I need to finish this video ASAP. Also, if I talk about that when we can expect to see the iOS 18 RC update, or when what we are seeing next, if they're going to be beta 9. So I want to tell you guys, for me, according to me, what I believe is that there is not going to be another beta. Seriously, I believe now Apple will bring directly iOS 18 RC update. I believe that Apple is going to miss the update for the next week over here. They will fix the first week of September. As you know, today is 28th of August. iOS 18 developer beta 8 is out, and I believe they are going to skip the first week of September, as they already announced the iPhone 16 event that is going to take place on September 9. So I believe on September 9 they're going to release iOS 18 RC update, and after the week of that, on 16th of September, they're going to release the public version of the iOS 18. These are my assumptions. This is what I believe. What you guys think about that, let me know in the comment section below. But this video is all about that iOS 18 developer beta 8 is out, and I'm going to install this update. As you can see, it is already installing, and I will talk about this update after looking what is new and if there is anything new. But as the size is very low, I don't expect any a big feature or something like that, but definitely I'm expecting to get a better battery life, a better performance with this update. Also, I want to talk about a bit about the battery life, so you can have the idea about what kind of battery life you can expect from the iOS 18 developer beta 8. Over here, if I go to this day, as you can see, I used my phone for around 70% according to this graph, and the screen on time is 5 hours and 57 minutes. You can consider this as 6 hours of screen on time. If I go on this day, I used my phone for around almost 75%. It is again pretty much same. On this day, I used my phone for again almost 75%. Now there is a huge difference in the battery life. This was something happening. I don't know, Safari was saying connected to charger. I was not using Safari while connected to charger, but it was showing this thing. I don't know why. Also, it was showing that I was on home and lock screen for 2 hours and 8 minutes. So yeah, but I can easily conclude that the battery life of the iOS 18 developer beta 7 slash iOS 18 public beta 5 was really good, which means we can expect a much better battery life of the iOS 18 developer beta 8. So there are no issues. So if you ask me that should you install this update or not, definitely go install this update. I am going to install this update. Also, you can also install this update. This is a pretty much really good update. I am just around the corner to install this update. Well, that's it from this video. I hope you like this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Do like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel. Share your thoughts about this channel. Share your thought about all the videos that I am making, so I can have better idea. Also share how I can improve my videos to get more subscribers. So yeah, also make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.